Hello folks and welcome. In this video, we are going to learn about final keyword. With the help of final keyword, we can declare a variable, and we can define method, and we can define class. If you define variable with a final keyword, then the variable is called as final variable, and it doesn't allow user to change the value once it's been assigned. First, we will see about this theory, then we will take a look at program. Final method. If a method is defined with the final, then the method is called as final method and it doesn't support overriding. Okay, next final class. The class which is defined with the final keyword is known as final class and it doesn't support inheritance. Okay, so using final keyword, we can restrict the user to perform few actions. Let's understand this concept through program. First, let's start with the final variable into a equal to 20. Print to data method, this is one method. A. Okay, just here we are trying to print the variable a value. Okay, class 1 dot print data. Okay, let us execute. Okay, it's been printed, no issue. Now let me reassign this value. Means I want to change the a value. Okay, a equal to 30. Okay, I updated a value. Okay, now what's the value of a? Obviously, it will be 30, right? See here, 30. You can use directly a equal to 30 or this dot a equal to 30. Well, because when you are using instance variable, we can use this. Okay, a equal to 30. It's absolutely fine, right? We can update. Now let us declare this variable as final. Now let's see. It is throwing error. Cannot assign a value to final variable. Yeah. Why? Once we assign value to the final variable, we cannot reassign. Okay, just remember. It's throwing error now. So it doesn't allow secondary value. Clear? Now let's see about the final method. Okay. So as for final method, once we define method as final, it doesn't support method overriding, right? Let us take a look now. Why calculation? Just let me define one method. X comma into y. In sum equal to x plus y. Okay, this is one method defined with the two parameters. So I'm calculating sum of two numbers. Now, how can we implement method overriding? We have to create subclass, right? The method overriding should be implemented in subclass, right? Let me create another class. class, class 2 extends class A. Just we are redefining method here, right? Now, as for the method overriding, to change the implementation, just like sub subtraction. Here there is no issue. We implemented method overriding. Okay. But coming to the final method, once we declared this method as final, it doesn't support overriding, right? Let's see. Now see here, it is showing error. This method Cassie cannot override. This method is final. We cannot override that method. Clear? Final method doesn't support overriding. Okay, for now, let me remove this one. What is next one? Final class, right? Final class doesn't support inheritance, right? Now, let us make this class as final. Yeah, you can see here, it is showing error. Cannot inherit from final package one dot class one. Okay, it is saying this class one. Class one is final. You cannot implement inheritance. Okay, make class one not final. So if you want to implement inheritance, we have to remove that final keyword. What does it mean? Final class doesn't support inheritance, right? Yeah. We have seen these three types, right? Final variable, final method, and final class. Final variable doesn't allow to change the value. Okay. Final method doesn't support overriding. Final class doesn't support inheritance. This is about final keyword. That's all guys for this video. Thanks for watching.